Good morning. We will start session 6 on chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. So in the previous session we started with an exercise. We completed first 6 sums. So the remaining sums will complete in today's session. So question number 7. I had told you all to go through the properties. Just reminding once again, be perfect in the properties of quadrilateral. Who is a parallelogram? So diagram always to your right hand side, 70 degree. Who is a parallelogram? Let's mark the markings what they have given. H, O, P, E. So this is 70 degree. There's a diagonal, so 40 degree, and this is Z which we have to find. This is Y and this is X. So find the angle, measure X, Y, Z. State the property you use to find them. So let's first of all start. Now see here children, if this is 40, so angle Y is also equal to 40. Directly I can write. First of all, in parallelogram, HO, okay, angle Y is equal to 40. So this is 40, this is also equal to 40. Reason? Alternate interior angles. Okay, so this is done. Now next what we will do here is angle 70 degree plus angle POH is equal to 180. Reason? Linear pair. So angle POH is equal to 180 minus 70. Angle POH is equal to 110 degree. So this is here 110. So if this is 110, angle X is also 110. So I will write angle X is equal to angle POH is equal to 110. Reason? Opposite angles are equal. We are using property of a parallelogram. Therefore, Y is 40. We found out here. So angle X is 110. Now what is left? Angle Z is left. So I'll do it here children. Can we write angle POH plus angle EHO is equal to 180. That is this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. Reason? Consecutive angle are supplementary. So how do you write POH? POH is given as 110, which we already found out. This one plus angle EHO is written as 40 plus Z, right? This plus Z is equal to 180. So Z is equal to, angle Z is equal to 180 minus 110 plus 140. 110 plus 40, 150. So angle Z is equal to 30 degree. So we found out X, we found out Y, and we found out Z. Right? So quickly we go on to the next one. The following figures, guns, runs are the parallelograms. Find X and Y in terms of centimeters. So same thing, we need to see angle property, consecutive angles or alternate interior angles which are there, and try to prove and try to find out the given angles. So first we'll start with the figure 1, 8th one. So first figure what they have given here is, it's a parallelogram GUNS, where this is 3y minus 1, 26. This AX. Okay, write down. In parallelogram, GUNS, guns. Can I tell here SG is equal to LU? Reason, opposite sides are equal. So what is SG? 3x is equal to 18. Therefore, x is equal to 18 by 3. X is equal to 6. 6 what? They have asked to find in centimeter. 6 centimeter. Have they asked us to find the sides? Find x and y. That's all. Next part. GU or UG is equal to NS. Again, opposite sides are equal. So this is UG is equal to 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. 3y is equal to 26 plus 1. Transpose this here. 3y is equal to 27. Y is equal to 27 by 3. 3 ones are 3 nines are. Y is equal to 9 centimeter. Children, please learn to highlight or give the conclusion to the answer. Now here it is only this much. Now as and when I was going through your papers in detail, I will be updating about that for each and every student. You need to only do is give the concluding answer which is missing in your paper. Most of you, I cannot generalize, of course, most of you have written it. This is to one who has not written. Please give the concluding answer always. See, if it is a verbal sum, you need to write a statement. Here, see, look at the sum. When I have written, to every sum that I write on the board, I always highlight the concluding answer. If you have seen that, right? So that is what you have to put into practice right from now. Highlight or underline or put it in a box the concluding answers. If it is a verbal sum, give the statement, which is more important. Quickly, we'll go to the next one. Second main. So we used side property here. Now next what we are using is the diagonal property. That's what I told you. You should know the properties very well. Without knowing properties, if you start solving sums, you will not understand and you cannot by heart. 8 main, second one. So diagram given here is runs, RUNS, where diagonals are given. This is x plus y, this is 16, and this is 20, and this is y plus 7. Okay. So we'll write here now. In parallelogram, runs. X plus y is equal to 16. Y plus 7 is equal to this. So I will just choose this as O. I will write first OU is equal to OS. Reason, diagonals bisect each other. Okay, what is OU? OU is y plus 7. OS is 20. Y is equal to 20 minus 7. Y is equal to 13 centimeter. Okay, next. OR is equal to ON. Again, diagonals bisect each other. You have a similar sum for worked example, children, where the rectangle is given, so you can solve that. OR is how much here? X plus y. ON is how much? 16. So one is unknown. I mean, two unknowns are there, but we know the value of y. X plus 13 is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 minus 13. X is equal to 3 centimeter. Now, if they have asked you to find the diagonal, substitute and do. But nothing, they have only asked you to find x and y. That's all, right? Quickly, we'll go with the ninth one. Ninth one, it's a combination of two parallelograms which you have to know. So, ninth figure goes in this way. See, look at the way I am drawing a parallelogram first of all. So, this and goes with dotted line. So, this parallelogram is KSIR. Okay. And the next parallelogram what I am drawing is ECLU. So this is risk and clue are the two parallelograms. Let's mark the angles given 120, 70 and this is X. So we need to find angle X. With respect to each parallelogram, let us find ninth one. So first of all, look at the parallelogram here. This is one parallelogram and this is one parallelogram. So what I will do now is, let me take the first parallelogram. In parallelogram, risk R-I-S-K. R-I-S-K. This parallelogram risk, what I will do here is, this angle is equal to this angle. Correct? It is 120. Can I give with that? 120 is equal to 120, but why do I want that? I'll tell you. So first we will write here is angle K is equal to angle I is equal to 120 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Keep it as it is. So this we found out. Then angle I plus angle S is equal to 180. Why? Angle I plus this angle is equal to 180. Consecutive angles are supplementary. I am using a parallelogram risk only. Consecutive angles are supplementary. 180. So angle I is 120 plus angle S is equal to 180. Angle S is equal to 180 minus 120. Angle S is equal to 60. This is 60 children. Okay. See, to find angle that I can use angles of property. That is why. Now come to parallelogram clue. In parallelogram clue, if this is 70, how much is this? 70. Opposite angles are equal. Now in this triangle 70, 60 and X we can find very easily. That is why I have chosen that. So angle L is equal to angle E is equal to 70 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Okay, I'll do this beside here. Now in triangle I will choose this point as O. EOS. Angle E plus angle O plus angle S is equal to 180. Angle sum property. What is angle E? 70. What is angle O? X. What is angle X? 60. 180. So X plus 130, 70 plus 60, 130 is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 130. X is equal to 50 degree. Right? So we need to just bifurcate the parallelograms. Yes, children, the last 3 sums of this exercise. Next one, explain how this figure is a trapezium. Which of its 2 sides are parallel? So we know the trapezium property. What is trapezium property? One pair of sides is parallel and consecutive angles of non-parallel sides are supplementary. So that should be known to us. With that property, we can say that it is a trapezium. So trapezium has only one side parallel. 10th main. So I will choose that as first one. They have given figure 3.32. So the figure goes like this. This is K, L, M, N. According to them, they have given this as 100 degree and this as 80 degree. Which of these two sides are parallel? Mark. This is the symbol used for parallel side. Now, first of all, how this figure is a trapezium? Don't write that KLMN is a trapezium, because how it is trapezium we have to write it. So, first of all, if I look at that, angle M plus L is equal to 180. Angle M is how much? 100 plus 80 is equal to 180. These are consecutive angles of non-parallel sides. Therefore, KLMN is a trapezium and KL parallel to M. Hence proved. That's all. Look at the next one. Second figure, I will just take that. So it's given in this way. This angle is 120. So these two are parallel. A, B, C and D. Here also if I can just check angle, simple. Which of these two sides are parallel in figure 3 point? I'm sorry children, this is 11th figure. I'm so sorry. This is a different question. I just got confused. Yeah. So 10th main we have only one question. I completely got confused with the next diagram given. 11th one, what they have given now is find measure of angle C in the figure. So let's find out. This is A. One pair is parallel, so understood that it is a trapezium. 120 D. So write down in trapezium ABCD. Just mention the parallel signs. AB parallel to CD. Now write angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. N stands for measure of angle. Reason? You cannot write only consecutive angles are supplementary. It has to be written consecutive angles of non-parallel sides. That's very much important. The reasons you write, but that should be an accurate and correct reason. Consecutive angles of non-parallel sides are supplementary. Children, sometimes I stress upon certain things. You have to write this, it has to be written. Please make a note, right? Because I don't see that in your answer paper sometimes. What I really stress upon in the class so many number of times, I do not see that. Now this shows that, again children, some of you, not all, I am not generalizing. This shows that some of you are just watching videos, not just understanding what's the important points I am telling. Make a note when I stress upon something. It has to be done like this. Yes, it has to be done like this only. So please make a note, watch the videos correctly and carefully. So what is angle B? 120 plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 120. Angle C is equal to 60 degree. Measure of angle C is equal to 60 degree, right? And the last one, find the measure of P and S if SP is parallel to RQ. If you find measure of angle R, Is there more than one method to find angle P? Let's find out according to them. So that will be the last sum for today's session. And we are left with only one exercise from this chapter. Okay, first of all we'll draw accordingly what they have given. So it is 12th one. So these are the parallel sides, understood. P, Q, where this is 130, this is marked as 90. Why did I mark 90? They haven't given 90. The symbol tells that it is 90 degree. R and S. So quickly let us find. Now what they have asked to find? Find the measure of angle P and angle S. How do I find? It's a trapezium. So in trapezium, PQRS, PS parallel to QR, perpendicular, so it is 90. So don't break your head much. So angle Q plus angle P is equal to 180. Consecutive angles of non-parallel sides are supplementary. So angle Q is 130 plus angle P is equal to 180. Angle P is equal to 180 minus 130, 50 degree. Angle R is equal to 90 degree. Now angle S they have told. Now what should be angle S? Angle S and R are also again same thing. So angle R is equal to 90 given. Angle R plus angle S is equal to 180. Reason children, same this will come here. So angle R is how much? 90 plus S is equal to 180. Angle S is equal to also 90. Now their question is, can we find angle P in any other way? Now, if you know, we cannot find angle P in any other way. That's the only way, because since it is a trapezium. If you find angle M, is there more than one method to find angle P? No, there is no other method until unless they state some other reason for quadrilateral. So only do this much. These are the measure of the angles, and there we complete this exercise. So again, your homework is to concentrate on the worked examples from this exercise. So that left the last exercise, which we will be doing it in the tomorrow's class.